Hello children. So, in the last class what we learned? We learned something very nice, no? The gift of the God, yes, plants. We learned about the plants, different types of plants, big, medium size, small, climbers, creepers. Yes, we learned about all the different types of plants. But children, do you know where they grow? Yes, they grow in the ground. Have you seen plants growing in the water? Yes, they grow in the water also, and even in the desert also some plants grow. So, today we are going to learn where the plants grow. Where do plants grow? Most plants grow on the soil, on the ground. Mostly many of the plants grow on the ground only. But some plants grow on water also, some plants grow on water also, and some plants grow in desert also. Now, in desert, if there is no water, how the plants can grow? Yes, but there are also some plants, some only types of plants grow there because they do not need much water and they can stay without water for a longer time. So, such plants grow in desert. We are going to learn about that. Some plants they grow in ground. There are many plants, so we know banana tree or apple tree, whatever, many of them grow on the ground, those are ground plants. Some plants grow in the water, like water lily. Have you seen water lily? Yes, they grow in the water, its only name is water lily. And what about lotus? You have seen lotus? Yes, lotus also grow in water only, and they have big leaves which floats on the water, and flower also float on the water. So, they are water plants. And some plants like cactus. Have you seen cactus? Like thorny plant? Yes, they grow in desert. Why? Because they can stay without water for a longer time, and so they grow in desert. So, they are no cactus plant, then dates plant, khajur. Yes, they also grow in desert. So, these are some plants grow in ground, some plants grow in water, and some plants grow in desert. Now, we have learnt about the types of plants, but as we have learnt about the parts of our body, plants also have their parts. Do you know which are the parts of plants? Yes, we are going to study about the parts of plants. As we have eyes, as we have nose and plants also have their parts. So, first comes the root. Whenever seed is sown in the soil, it becomes a root. First root is developed, then the stem comes out, then from the stems there are leaves, and then from the leaves flowers and fruits comes out. So, these are the parts of the plants. As we have parts in our body, plants also have their parts, root, stems, then branches comes, then on branches leaves comes, then in leaves flowers and fruits comes, and even in flowers birds first come. You know birds, what is bird? Curry. Yes, from that bird the flower blooms. Okay. So, these are the parts of plants. Now, we are going to study about the parts of the plants in detail. Okay. What are their function? Why are they? We know that eyes are to see, same way they also have their functions. Now, the main parts of plants are root. First main part is root. What is the function of root? What does root does? It holds the plants to the ground. Any plant has a root and it holds the plant to the ground. Any plant, big plant standing straight, how can it stand straight? Because the roots are holding it. So, a plant can stand straight. Big trees such as banyan tree have thick roots. Banyan tree, they have very thick roots. Plants also use the roots to collect water from the ground. And what does the root do? No? The water is there inside the ground, the rainwater goes inside the ground, and from the ground the roots collect the water, and then it passes to the stem on the top, and then stem passes to the branches. They also need water to live, and from the branches the water is passed to the leaves, and in the leaves the food is cooked for the plant, and it is called the kitchen of the plant, leaf. Yes, this is full procedure. As we have full procedure in our body, when we eat food, it goes in the food pipe and then stomach and small intestine. Same way here, the root absorbs the water from the ground and it passes to the stem. Okay. Then stem, it carries water from the root to the leaves of the branches. What does stem does? Stem carries the water from the root. રૂટે જે પાણી મોકલ્યું છે એ આગળ પહોંચાડે છે. સ્ટેમ કોણ પહોંચાડે છે? સ્ટેમ to the branches and leaves of the trees. It carries food produced in the leaves to the different parts of the plant, and leaf produce the food, no? પછી જે ફૂડ બનાવે એ કોણ પાછું લઈ જાય? એ સ્ટેમ જ બધે પાછું લઈ જાય, બીજા બધા પાર્ટ્સ ઓફ ધ ટ્રીઝને પહોંચાડે. કોણ પહોંચાડે? સ્ટેમ. Now leaves. Plants make the food here. Food in leaves. You know, plants also make food. And where does it make food? In leaves. As mummy makes food, no, where does she makes food? In kitchen. Yes, same way plants also make food on leaves. They also breathe through the tiny pores on it. And on leaves, no, if you see on the leaves, there are very tiny dots on it. From where it breathe. You know, plants also breathe. They also cook food. They also absorb water and all. So, plants breathe through the tiny holes on the leaves. They are known as the kitchen of the plant, and the leaves are known as the kitchen of the plant because the food is cooked here. For whole plant, the food is cooked in the kitchen, in the leaves. So, it is called the kitchen of the plant. Now, flowers. Beautiful flowers grow on plant. We have seen, no, beautiful flowers, rose, sunflower, lily, jasmine, so many flowers grow on the plant. Flowers grow into fruit, and these flowers, then it grows and it becomes fruit. When it gathers, it becomes a fruit. The flower changes into fruit. Now, fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. You all are eating fruits, no? બધા fruit ખાઓ છો? પછી ઠળિયા ખાઈ જાઓ છો? No, આપણે ફેંકી દઈએ ઠળિયા. But what are they called? You know, they are called seeds. એ ઠળિયામાંથી બીજું ઝાડ ઉગે. So, the plant grow from that seeds. And where are that seeds? They are in the fruits. Okay. So, fruits have seed inside them. New plant grow from this seed. क्या होता है? नया plant निकलता है. कहाँ से? Seed में से. So, new plant grow from this seed. So, children, you understood, no? The different parts of the plants and their functions? Yes, root, stems, branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. These are the main parts of the plants, and we have also learned about their functions. There are different types of functions. Okay, children? Okay, thank you.